Hello to one and all, myself Pallavi Tripathi. So today we are going to just see the difference between the mitosis and meiosis. Detailed video has already been uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch the video. So yes, mitosis, one nuclear division is involved, and whereas in meiosis, two nuclear division is involved. That is the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So here mitosis is known as equatorial division as the chromosome number remains the same, whereas meiosis is known as a reductional division because the chromosome number is reduced to half. And here in mitosis, at a metaphase state, homologous chromosome line up separately, whereas in case of meiosis they just lie in pair because the crossing over takes place है ना. Homologous chromosome do not pair up, no crossing over takes place, but pairing takes place. They just pair and form bivalent as well as tetravalent. So that is the thing. Yes, as they do not pair in case of mitosis, so that's the reason no crossing over and no chiasmata formation, whereas crossing over takes place. That's the reason chiasmata is observed in prophase 1 of meiosis. Then here the two daughter cell which is formed at the end of mitosis are genetically identical, but here the daughter cells are genetically different from the parent nucleus, and four daughter cells are formed after the meiosis 2. So thank you.